Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to connect HubSpot to Asana. The integration is super simple, and once it's set up, your tasks sync automatically. So let's get started. First, open your HubSpot account and head to the App Marketplace. You'll find it in the top navigation under the Marketplace icon. Just make sure you're logged into the right workspace. Next, use the search bar and type in Asana. You should see the official Asana integration show up right away. Click it to open the install page. Now click the button that says Install App. HubSpot will ask for permission to connect your Asana workspace. Just follow the prompts, it's all pretty straightforward. After that, you'll be redirected to Asana. Sign in with your email and password, then choose the workspace you want HubSpot to connect to. If you only have one workspace, it'll be selected automatically. Once the accounts are linked, HubSpot will show a setup page where you can choose how tasks sync between both platforms. You can decide when new tasks get created, what information gets pulled in, and, how the tools talk to each other. To make sure everything's working, create a test task inside HubSpot, then jump into Asana and refresh the project. You should see the task appear after a few seconds. And that's it. Your HubSpot and Asana accounts are now connected, and all your tasks sync automatically. If this guide helped you out, go ahead and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.